Hello, my name is Abhinav and I am an intern at Incube. As an intern, I write articles about AI and how it is implemented in various fields. The article I have written for this month's edition is called Types of AI, and for next month I'll be discussing AI in media. I had so much fun writing about the types of AI and gained a lot of knowledge in the subject. Besides increasing my knowledge library, I also gained experience in communicating with other fellow interns and learned to be okay with expressing my views on certain issues. I know that all the skills I have learned and honed during my time as an intern will give me that extra boost in college and beyond. Having editions that are specifically related to AI is just amazing. Technology is advancing at an exponential rate, therefore people need to be aware and have to understand what is around them. Since AI is becoming increasingly popular, everyone can better understand the world around them. Thank you, Incube, for an amazing experience.